on, guys, and welcome to Drop Top Production. I'm Cody, and today we will be installing a 180-degree thermostat. What that's going to allow us to do is bring the coolant temperature down in our Hemi, and it's going to be more efficient. Alright, from the factory they come with 203-degree thermostats. That's just stupid high, and in my opinion that should be the first thing that you change is 180-degree thermostat. But when you do that, you need to tune your engine. So the next video I'll be posting will be how to do that using HP Tuner software, which is right here. Awesome software. I wouldn't really use Diablo or any of them. That's my opinion. I like to be in control and be able to make on-the-spot adjustments. But anyways, there's no need for me to be talking anymore. Let's go get this thing started. Alright guys, so I've been sitting here for about 10 minutes now after driving it, and as you saw I kind of got on it a little bit. I wanted to see how it would react. It's in at 185 degrees Fahrenheit. The way that I have it, the fan set up when I tuned it, it should never really reach over 190. And if it does, I have my high-speed fans coming on at like 195, which is fine. This has been idling about 15 minutes now after being a little heavy on it. Seems pretty good to me. But guys, that is it for this video. The next video, I'll show you how to actually tune using HP tuners and set the fans. And then when you, not only do you set the fans, but you actually got to mess with the timing a little bit too, which is good because it adds horsepower, right? But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, share this content so people around you in the Mopar community can see how easy it is to do this super simple upgrade that is very much needed on these Hemis. Have a good day. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do it. Check you later.